Just bought this gadget for wireless Apple Carplay for my Audi. So I'm just gonna plug it in. I've already set up the Bluetooth connection, so if you buy this brand new, it will guide you through how to do it. So I'm just gonna plug this into the USB port. Right, so on screen now it shows connect to. It will take a while if you're setting this up the first time. So if you have not set up the Bluetooth, now it's time to search for this connection. I've set it up already, so once it's done, it will detect my phone, and once it's connected, you would have wireless Apple CarPlay. Done. Thank you.